Okay, now we look at the second part, something on geometric. Can you check here? 100 on the per month, but she plans to increase how many percent? 5%. So when I plan to increase 5%, that means on the first month she saves 150. On the second month she plans to increase it by 5%. Mathematically we know when I increase 5%, that means I'm going to multiply with 105%. So 105%, if I check my calculator, 105%, when I press the calculator, it gives me 1.05. Maksudnya, I'm going to multiply with 1.05 to get the value on the second month. I'm going to multiply with 1.05 to get the value on the third month, and it goes on and on and on. So what does this actually tell me, sir? It actually tells me the first month is the A. It actually clearly tells me the first month is the A. The multiplying number that I'm going to use for every month is referred as the R. So once I clear that, question becomes easy. Find for me the saving on the fifth month. So I go to the formula. And I think I remember telling you this very clearly. When you multiply, it triggers the keyword called geometric. So we are looking at geometric. When you plus, you minus, arithmetic. When you multiply, geometric. So the formulas for geometric are already here for you. No need to memorize formula. So if I'm looking for the saving on the fifth month, so I went to the formula. So substitute according to the formula. A, R, 1.05, 5 minus 1. So who's the hero? The calculator is the hero. So let's bring the hero into the picture. 150, 1.05 to the power of 5 minus 1. I have my answer, 182.33. I think all of us know RM, which is called the money. Money always should be to decimal place. Money always should be to decimal place. So 182.32. But next to the 2 there's a 5 there, right? So it becomes 33. Okay, now comes the keyword total. What do you mean by total? You're looking for sum. And I'm going to make you very happy now. When I'm testing you for your exams as well as your assignment, I am not going to test you on this. I can see the smile on your face. Sir, you are making life easy. Yes, I'm making your life easy. I'll be testing strictly on this for R more than 1. So whenever I'm finding for total for geometric, the formula that's triggering your mind or should be always to be look out is this formula, not the bottom one. So now let's go to the solution. I'm looking for the first year. So for the first year means exactly, I think you know 1 year got how many months? 12 months. So I'm going to find what is the total saving for 12 months. So when I go as per the formula, I am looking for S12. Okay, if you check the formula starts with A. So the A is 150 followed by R, which is 1.05 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 1.05 minus 1. Looks very tedious, right? Who's the hero? The calculator is the hero. So let's bring the hero into the picture. Fraction 150, 1.05 to the power of 15 minus 1. Close the bracket, bring it down. 1.05 minus 1. I already have the total saving, 3236.78 as per 2 decimal place for money. Done on geometry.